If you're currently using the old input system and want to switch over to the new input system, where you're doing something like this, input.getKey or input.getMouseButtonDown or whatever, well, let me show you how to convert in only a few minutes. So right here I have a very basic player script. It's just a generic one, and I have a bunch of input.getKeys right here, here, and so on. And let me show you how to change these. So one thing you need to make sure before we do this is that you go into Unity, click on Edit, Project Settings, Player, Other Settings, and scroll down to Configuration and make sure Active Input Handling is set to either both or to only the new input system. So it should not be set to Input Manager Old. When that is done, we can head back into our script, and to convert this, we need to go to the top and be using Unity Engine.input system. Then we can scroll down here, and we can, instead of doing input.whatever, in this case, because we're using the keyboard, do keyboard.current, so the current keyboard which is plugged in, it was the A key, so we can do A key, and we used get key. Here we would instead do is pressed. But if it was get key down, we should instead use is actuated. But yeah, we basically just do this. So for D, we would remove all of this and do the D key. Let's go down to our jump right here. That's the space key. So let's copy all of this down here and do space key. For our shoot, it's currently F. But let's say you wanted to use the mouse. Here we would instead do mouse.current. Let's say .left button .is pressed for a get key. Or if it was get key down, we would use .is actuated and add these like so. Then we have our update score here. Again, just copy all of this and I'll do the E key right here. Perfect. That's how easy it is to change. You can play around with this. You can of course also do gamepads for your PlayStation controllers and whatever. If you want to learn about the full input system, because this is only prototyping with it, then check out this video above. And also, I just want to mention that I have a school community where I have a full system on how to go from a complete beginner all the way to publishing a playable game. So check that out. That's the top link in the description, and have an amazing day.